Students, imagine you have three keys, is, M, and R. But there is problem. Each key opens only certain doors. If you use the wrong key, the sentence becomes wrong. Can you learn which key opens which door? Let's find out. One day, three brothers named Is, M, and R lived in Grammar Town. They had a special rule. M said, I only work with I. Is said, I work with he, she, and it. R said, I work with we, you, and them. But one day a student mixed them up. The student said, I is healthy. The brother shouted, That's wrong. Can you guess who should help I? Okay, look at this sentence. I, blah, blah, student. What do you think should come in the blanks? Is M or R? Pause the video and make your prediction. The correct answer is M. I am a student. Remember, I always work with M. When the subject is I, use M. For examples, I am happy, I am playing, I am reading. When the subject is he, she, or it, use is. Examples, he is running, she is singing, it is sleeping. When the subject is we, you, or they, use are. Examples, we are friends, you are smart, they are playing. Okay, choose the correct word. See, blah blah, my friend. They, blah blah, playing football. We, blah blah, happy. Pause and think. Okay, answers are she is my friend. They are playing football. We are happy. Okay, every day you use is, M, and R. When your teacher asks, How are you? You say, I'm fine. When talking about your classmates, they are students. So these words are not just grammar, they help us speak English every day. Let's remember M is used with I, is used with he, she, or it. R is used with we, you, and they.